one of the way that was always implementing to the guys, not sonke Sophie, but let's just pave our way, which okay. Very children who don't have mothers and fathers today, just because of those silky, like Spila now.
I think
Spila
what up, guys? We're back again. Yes, we have just shot the break. It's not saying I don't cheat about his music upcoming. So yeah, man. Your music. Akona ma artist amanye feature in your music experience. Maybe a feature, maybe now umngani wakho, whoever wakhula naye abanganini bakho.
Taking back to my friends, I think there was maybe 3 or 4.
Yeah.
Yet like
Are they still in the music industry?
Some they still produce. Sekasi isibaningi baba sonke silale cheese sonke sonke we're having those hopes ukuthi nathi soba habo. Like hayi ukuthi sonke sizofika lapha fethu. That's what one of the way that was always implementing to the guys, not sonke sofika, but let's just pave our way ukuthi okay fero one masekafikile nathi we are having that chance ukuthi yabo umaqala
uvukile nathi singavuka, you know, because kungcono than vele ukhuluma ivara, because kungcono ukubona umuntu avukayo ukuthi bona ulamba naye sakavukile than ukuzobona umuntu ephepheni nje
awumazi kanjani yes
yabo. So kungcono makunjalo namajita nawe I hope nawabhekile that Orange Farm it is as for I think you are part of that group. Yeah, man. Can you please tell me your input in that group? Is it giving you some good things? Because I see there's a lot of model artists and they are saying it's doing a good job. So for you, is it a good job to you too? Because yesterday I was being Mbata. Angela Gotay, I want to discuss for in season, of which you know that's true. Yeah, well, because Manjum Mbata is not the person who he was. Yeah, no, Ukuma Awangani. So I'm just bringing it to you. I'm just giving it out there to an maybe on your side. Expanded again.
It really for it does help. Does help, guys. It does help. Knowing that see youth is Yakula, we are living in Orange Farm. You can take that word to anyone around South Africa just to say I'm from Orange Farm. Do you know how many comments do we get? Like
from a country,
yes, on our own country. Like they don't treat us just because of Orange Farm.
Yeah, speaking of which, there was a sorry to cut you off. There was this photo that I saw today in the morning at Station 89, but what you see Orange Farm. And there was a shooting again, Orange Farm.
That's what we live. That's what we live here, guys. That's what we live. Our everyday life experience. It's all about those dead bodies, those people who got injuries, those children who don't have mothers and fathers today, just because of those silky. Like it's Pilanabo.
I think it's
Pilanabo. The only thing is not it is because we speak through music. We speak through videos. We are talking. It's right, it's fine. At the end of the day, it's a coach or whatever it's happening.
Yeah, that's true.
But the experiences now, it's too much for us to bear. It's too much. One men's conference as girls in Orange Farm. Very scarce. Men's conference. It's another thing.
Men's conference.
It's another thing.
It's
another thing.
But lawyer Balega, this one is running away. This one.
So it's too much for us. Being a gent, being a father, being a brother, and being a male in Orange Farm is very hard.
I'm about it as a cat.
Crime. We are going because we are turned. No, it is because you into a pillar.
And officially, those youth have got talent.
Too much.
Just give them
too much
talent because
too much.
But
now I've been through the most. I've been stealing, house robberies, being a drug addict, sleeping at home was something else.
How old
Like
were you?
I was 15 back then.
Oh,
But
flip.
it's the upbringing.
Yeah, it's upbringing.
Yes, it's the upbringing
It's
of the
upbringing.
ecosystem. There's nothing
Because
we can say.
este is a like most like orange farm looks like it's got this disease. Because I think now and he said something when he talked about his upbringing, but then he lost his both parents while he was still young.
You
You know,
hear?
he ended up going to this wrong like crimes and everything. So yena into zakhe use uqale ezimusha yena ukuganga wakhe ngathi he talked about the 13 years if I'm not
Yes.
mistaken. You know, that's when imagine when you say 15, and then 15 you should be outside here playing, enjoying life.
Finding my talent.
Orange
I see
farm.
the most. Finding my talent. That's the problem. We have time in the world for us to find our talent.
Yeah,
You
we
don't
do.
know what are you talented in.
Yeah.
So as you grow up,
Yeah.
you're supposed to do them all. Udlala ibhola, udlala basketball, udlala whatever. The day you get 18 is the day you're going to say, Mina, I want to live this life.
Yeah,
Mina, I want to. Yes.
Yeah. Because
you know your talent, you know your career, you know what you want in life. So if you have that upbringing, awazi sobona phambili, phasila phasana sobona phambili, applyanga sobona phambili. Yonke into sobona phambili. Why do we have to have that mode to sobona phambili?
Why?
Why?
Because
Why?
we need to.
We have that baningi. Somlandela sobona phambili. Still the same.
When on your side, do you think is there anything that we can do to help these ones that are coming?
There's too much we can do.
Because there's a lot of ones, even there.
There's too much we can do. There's too much. As long as we have sponsors. The only problem is that they have
we don't have sponsor here, but Roman podcast.
Roman podcast, we don't have sponsors. If you want to sponsor, you can sponsor. You can give us anything. You can donate whatever you want to donate.
Yeah, man.
Because at the end of the day, it's Orange Farm. It's the youth of Orange Farm that needs donation.
Yeah, man.
So here, what can happen? You can donate, and whatever you want to donate.
Yeah.
Then have those features, have studio, have maybe a playground, or have something that will benefit the youth of Orange Farm.
Yeah, yeah.
As the time goes by, do you know those people you are helping are the ones who are going to destroy that center or organization that is helping them?
Yeah, they will.
Yonke into ingudla here in Orange Farm. Everything that you see that is benefiting others, ingudla. Ingudla is something that you can sell to someone and get money. So whatever that they can get to have, then exchange it for money. It's ingudla. Ingudla nje kanjalo.
But when
so it's too much for them.
What can we help? Okay, so it's in them. We can't do anything to help them.
It's in their mind, and it's in their mind. But what we can do, it is for us to start by hosting mobile organization. So when I say mobile organization, we don't have maybe a place where we do meetings often, like we put our things, our cameras, our equipment, yes, our billboards and so forth. So that center is mobile. It goes everywhere. If we want to go extension 1, we go to extension 9. We do like everyday tour.
Yeah.
Because we know Orange Farm, it's a big country. We can't say it's a big township. It's a big country.
Yeah.
Because we have councillors who see themselves as president.
Yeah.
We have teachers, doctors, and so forth. So all the crime that is happening, it happens in a country.
So, yeah, man. In that note,
of Johannesburg.
Those who are not who are truly what we are talking about. We were talking about the post that I saw today this morning of, I don't know, is it the boy or girl who was found banned and dead at Nation 9 and 8. That's what I saw in the news. That's a sad news, guys. Yeah, I'm still sitting with Mzwake discussing about how can we solve, talk to the youth get the word out there. People can change, man. Work on this thing. Yeah, Roaming Podcast. That's where we at. Big out to the venue. The venue's now.
Yeah.
It's cool. The
Thank you
venue's
to
now,
Kabuza. Thank
no
you,
more
Kabuza.
no more pole.
Yeah.
Man. That's what's up, man. So yeah, man. This point just ngazenza you guys.
It's a lot.
You can't just sit here and then talk about them and expect them to happen just like that.
Yeah, it goes back to a saying that says action speaks louder than words. So we can have words to say, me, I want this, say Orange Farm, I want this, I want it.
Yeah.
Is there any action that you are taking?
So when I know you're a good guy, man, let's talk about yourself.
Yeah. Yeah. Now the age has gone by, maturity has started to uplift, you see.
Yeah.
So like everything is coming into order. Yeah, it's coming into order.
No, that's
I
good.
see myself not doing the things that I used to do.
Yeah.
Not to sleep at home, not to clean.
Have you ever been arrested?
Jail, never.
Like public drinking or maybe caught with some weed, caught with some drugs.
I never got arrested.
But you did sleep outside.
Yeah, I did sleep in the cell. It's not like I was arrested. In the cell, I did sleep. It was 30 minutes after 30 minutes.
Nah, you didn't get
I was inside.
The number is not your thing.
Me, I was that one who was called Jovis.
Yeah,
I was the only one who gets out. Hey, fast. Even the police, if they come, I'm the only one who gets to see because I'm the tallest one. Yeah. I can see the siren coming that side. I was like, jets, they're coming. Who got arrested? I was like, yes. Yeah. I wasn't there by heart. Hey,
it's too much, man.
Hey. So much.
Yeah, man, that's what's up. Because ezinye izinto futhi ezinye amachiteka sangazibheka ukujive ezumjive mnandi.
Yeah.
Even though umjive amachita
promote. Do you know umjive? It's one of the things like I want
and I
thought to myself, like it's talent to me.
Yeah.
Because like the commotion is not a commotion like it's very different. We have a family, yet we don't know each other.
Yeah.
But we are one big happy family. It's forever happy. You can go in almost 6 months every Saturday. No mistake. No. Those things like, guys, if you see your child or you see whoever, just know that if you
yeah.
When what you do, I know you are going to feel the pain. You're going to feel the pain. You're going to feel the pain. But at the end of the day, whatever that is going to happen to Muye, akufanelanga na uzifile sorry to say, eish owakithi bangambulali bangamenzini. But because of when always umshilda and uzotshontshela wena umshilda, then it's another case. Makatshontshelwa thina mele sithule because umakasana siyamazi. No, it shouldn't be.
Drinking lots of water.
Mele like make sure ukuthi nakanjani mabafuni.
Yeah, no, marivarle because hey man, ama drugs wasibulalayo man. Asibulala kakhulu because amachitekasi phuza kakhulu. No, utshwala abukho bad.
It's not bad because I have that tendency ukuthi mangi etshwaleni I try to avoid certain situations.
Yeah.
So must plan nabangani bami to say same thing. My aim.
By the way, meeting guys, there's some.
Yeah, it's some place there. It's Manzini. They know.
Is it 6 or 7 or 9 somewhere there?
Yeah, the people from Orange Farm they know. Mandy Hagen, you know Mandy Hagen.
She was there.
She was there.
Yeah,
from Big Brother to meeting. Like meeting some people you do know. So what happens there, ne? We go there by meeting. I have that aim to say, when I go to the group, I don't know some of the people, because some Uyinkabi, wherever, he kills people and do whatever. So he goes there just to have those beers before he goes to do the job.
To kill someone.
Yes. So that point, that assembly point, it's a point where like we interact with different people.
Yeah,
from different perspectives. Different perspectives. So some people, they have that tendency, whoever ozongithinta, ngishaya inhlamvu, whoever ozongithinta ngiyamgcwalisela.
For what?
For whatever reason, because thina masenkwareni, we can't have alcohol without the chicks.
The bitches.
We want the ngane. We want the ngane.
The chickens.
The chickens. We want the chickens.
Yeah. Cover the chickens.
So,
no, man.
So I had the tendency, when I go out, have those music like Ibu emkondweni. I feel like rather than ukuthi ngiyokhuluma ne-chicken, let me just do it simple. Rather than ukuthi ngikhuluma ne-chicken. Do the move.
Do the move, yeah.
Do the move. Any movement is a dance in piano. Any movement. Even if I can do my head like this, it's a movement. It can even become like a dance challenge.
Yeah. Is there a group that maybe you used to grow with that you are dancing with?
Spiritual Paz. I shout out to Spiritual Paz. Spiritual Paz. Spiritual Paz.
Spiritual Paz.
From my city. So
Spiritual Paz.
Spiritual Paz. I got you covered.
Nazaki Palap. Shout out to Spiritual Paz.
Machita. Just three of them. Three of them spiritual. Wire. You can even go on the YouTube Spiritual Paz. Search for them. Like they're the ones. If you want to see my movement, come to the tavern.
Are you a dancer?
Not like a dancer.
Yeah.
Like I do dancing when I'm doing MC.
Okay.
Like I'm an MC.
Yeah.
Like I can do ayebo until
until 4 a.m.
From 6. 6 to 6, 9 to 6, 12 to 9, 12 to 6. I can do it the whole day, the whole hour, the whole evening. I don't do drugs.
Yeah, it just
Sekazini.
I trust you.
Sekazini, guys.
No drugs. Drugs are dangerous, guys.
Very dangerous. Very dangerous.
So yeah, man. It's about was a follower Facebook.
Available. Facebook. Mzwakhe Philista Omnandi. The one and only Mzwakhe Philista Omnandi. Yet now, because now, guys, I'm trying to avail myself. I'm trying to branch myself. I'm trying to give myself that exploration, just to explore around. Just to get to know that that MC corner, whether it is a funeral, it is a wedding, it is whatever, that funeral is there.
When did you
Orange Farm, I used to come visiting back in those days. I was visiting there and there.
That's why I'm surprised.
2021, I was like, full time. No, I can't sit there. A true mbongolo passing by, a true horse.
And I know every guy has got history of bad friends.
Oh.
So I want to jump into your friends.
My friends, they put me through the West.
I want to jump into your friends, my guy.
True.
Mr. MC, I want to jump into your friends.
I had that one friend.
Yeah.
It's just unfortunate that he's late now.
Late. So
Tumama. I was Tumama.
R.I.P. man.
Ash. May his soul rest in peace. That guy was a hustler. More like a dark panda. I don't know if you get me. So that guy
was a hustler.
Hustler
like a dark panda.
Yeah, like a dark panda.
Can you please elaborate?
Yes. So when I say in those ways, I'm meaning what? That guy, the way he hustles, he hustles in a way that many people, they see him as a thug. Yet we are panda. That's why I'm saying Yes.
Yes.
We wouldn't be sitting like this if he was here. Yeah, we will have cold drinks, snacks, whatever, everything we're having it. But remembering that we take maybe 20 steps coming here. Now we're having Coke, we're having snacks, we're having all the things. The problem became one day when he stole Gubo, atshontshela umalume wakhe. Atshontshe endlini. Malume makangena iwasha ama-USB nani azisekho. And the only person ongenile endlini was Dom.
Oh yeah.
Lapho besisabhema strong. 3 a.m.
in the morning.
3 a.m. near the Golden Highway. Sasinemikhukhu near the Golden Highway. Sibhemela lapho. 3 a.m. It's a knock on the door. We are 6 inside. So Ustomo came with his 2 other friends. Then me, I come with the other 2. So officially we are now 6. Ustomo ni crew ya kaba 2, nami ni crew ya maba 2. So we are 6 now sitting in one place smoking. So when we are 6 like that, then there's a knock. We were like, okay, who's knocking? Who's there? We are surprised. It's 3 in the morning. He'd be like, Ntanta, Stomo, Puma. When that guy, that door was not like properly closing. It was like a door standing, just balancing. When you push it goes like, everyone goes surprised. So that door they knock, when they knock, they okay, yes. Then that person outside, he just left the door, all of us were there jamming, just watching. Who's going there? 3 a.m. in the morning. What we saw, all of us, was a gun. 2 guys having black charcoal guns. 3 a.m. They want the person who's inside.
Stomo. Hey, Stomo, but which
all of us were shaking. Do you know when they say you're shaking, my brother?
I'm scared.
It's more than shaking that one. It was just unfortunate that I can't say it on the camera. What happened there? The way I was shaking. But I can't say what happened to myself.
But there was nobody hurt.
They were hurt. Stomo was hurt, obviously. Because that guy take the gun. And he was just pressing. Keep on hitting, saying you'll take out these things. They take 2 of them. They say, okay, who are you going with? I say, They take both of them. They go inside. After 10 minutes, we were 4 of us sitting there, wondering, what's next? Gunshots outside.
Who was shooting now? The other guys who came and knocking.
The persons who were knocking, they were now shooting as they took these 2. So now we were mysteriously asking ourselves, who did they shoot? Only to find out tomorrow, both of them, they are good. It's just that they were having to show that they were hidden by the gun.
So that incident with the gun entering in the room was then Stomo shot and killed?
No, he was killed by smoking. Like the way he was a smooth talker. He can smooth talk you even if you caught him to say, go ahead, but you will never kill him. The way he will talk to you.
So what was he killed by? Nyobe?
Yeah, he was killed by Nyobe.
Because Nyobe
rest in peace in Jaga.
Rest in peace in Dumoza. In life, but some of them, we still miss them because they still had Amanya Marukuzana.
They had like this, like taking for instance, Mustomo was very musical. Growing up, training. 2 songs, they have money, basikwamba inkunzi, nakusasa sivuke etrainini futhi sihambe ngetraini.
It was a Soweto thing. Was a Soweto?
No, from here.
Oh, from here around.
From here, like I know Makvali call I'm here, babas. Yakali machine, but machine wire.
I thought maybe you're talking about things.
No, Stomach from this side. So
Oh, damn, I'm lost.
most of the things I'm here to talk about will a podcast, guys.
Yeah.
Really and honestly speaking,
Zenzakele
the talent
yigazi.
elami lokubona ukuthi I have that effect ku music. Baba kenga hostile, being the MC of the hour, having that vibe, seeing people laughing, dancing, and cheering.
Oh, you were
Because
here. No,
I was here. Most experiences here, though.
No, man, I'm still lost. I thought maybe you're still back in Soweto because you told me off
so
air
it is
that
back then when I was
you're still a little boy.
please, finding the talent, they're playing soccer then there.
No, RIPs to Domo guys.
Yeah.
So yeah, man. That's good, man. Okay, let's cut it.
Beats Production.